Hi, my name is Erin O'Meyer, and I'm going to give you an overview of Activity 2 Heat Transfer. So the materials and code that you'll need. Materials, you'll need a Lunasat, computer with Arduino IDE installed, FTDI and associated cables, and Activity 4.2 worksheet Heat Transfer to follow along. As for the code, you'll use the same code as the previous activity, which was found under Module 4, Temperature Sensor, Temperature Basic Example. So for this activity, we'll walk through three types of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. You experience these types of heat transfer every day. For conduction is when heat is transferred through a direct contact between surfaces of different temperatures. For example, direct contact with a heat source. Whereas convection is when heat is transferred through a flow of a fluid, in our case air, so hot air rising off of a stove or a fire. And lastly, radiation, when heat is transferred without being in contact with the object. So for example, feeling the heat of a fire not depending on the air rising above it or feeling the heat of the sun on your skin. For this activity, we'll walk through three mini experiments. So for the conduction experiment, you'll gently place your finger covering the whole sensor of the temperature sensor on the Lunasat for approximately 30 seconds. For this, you'll use the serial plotter and be able to see the increase and decrease in temperature when you remove and put your finger on the sensor. For the convection experiment, you'll do something similar, but you'll wave your hand above the Lunasat. This will create an airflow for approximately 15 seconds, and you'll be able to see the changes in temperature on the serial plotter as well. And for the radiation experiment, you'll place both your hands surrounding the Lunasat after you've warmed them up. So you can rub both your hands together and warm them up to create some heat, or you can run them under hot water in that sense to create some heat that way. Then you'll place them around the Lunasat with the temperature sensor side face up and see the changes in temperature as well. And lastly, have fun with it and explore with your Lunasat using the three forms of heat transfer. In this activity, you should learn the three types: conduction, convection, and radiation. And from there, you should be able to apply the three types of heat transfer to the Lunasat. With that knowledge, you can use the Lunasat to explore new ways to simulate the heat transfer.